Troubleshooting an LG dryer that is not drying. If your LG dryer continuously shuts off during a cycle or leaves your clothes feeling damp after a cycle, thereby making drying times longer than normal, it is possible that there may be a blockage or a restriction in your home exhaust system. Blockages and restrictions in the ductwork, possibly caused by lint buildup and debris, can prevent your dryer from running efficiently at maximum performance. We'll go over some of the ways that you can diagnose and possibly remedy some of these issues to avoid calling and waiting for a service technician. Start by making sure that the dryer's lint filter is clean and free of any blockages, which could also cause a reduction in drying performance. If you do not see any problems with the lint filter, then follow these next steps for another possible solution. Begin by starting the dryer on a normal cycle. Then go outside where the dryer is vented and remove any visible restrictions or blockages in the vent. Also check to see if there is airflow. If there is no airflow, or if the airflow is weak, then there might be a restriction somewhere that needs to be removed. Next, turn off the dryer and unplug it. Then disconnect the vent from the dryer and see if there are any visible obstructions. If there are, remove the obstructions and reconnect the vent. At this point, run the dryer to see if the problem has been eliminated. Note that not all blockages and restrictions can easily be seen. For example, if the ductwork is too long or has too many bends, blockages can occur. If this is the case, we recommend that you call a professional for duct cleaning. Proceeding to use a dryer with blockages may create an unsafe environment. Some LG dryers are equipped with a flow sense system that may alert you of potential duct blockages. Continued use of the dryer while the flow sense indicator is illuminated may create an unsafe environment. Please be sure to resolve the issue before continuing to use the dryer. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.